Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to view shared photos in a Gmail space using your PC. This new update makes it super easy to find and enjoy shared media. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox right away. Next, locate the grid of 9 dots in the top right corner, next to your profile photo. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Spaces to view all the spaces you're a part of. Now find the space where you want to view shared photos and click on it to enter. Once you're inside the space, look at the top for the Shared section. Click on the Shared section to access all the photos that have been uploaded by members. Here, you'll find a collection of images shared within that space, making it easy to catch up on what everyone has posted. You can click on any photo to view it in detail, and you might even find some great moments captured by your friends or colleagues. And that's it. You've successfully viewed the shared photos in your Gmail space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.